Hello students, let's do some very important questions on vectors. If theta is the angle between two unit vectors, vector A and vector B are unit vectors. It means magnitude of both the vectors is 1. Then 1 by 2, magnitude of unit vector A minus unit vector B is, 4 options are given: cos theta by 2, sin theta by 2, tan theta by 2 or none. Now बच्चे, what is vector A dot vector A? Vector A dot vector A is A के magnitude का whole square. Now what we will do? We will write vector A, unit vector A minus unit vector B, magnitude whole square can be written as unit vector A minus unit vector B dot unit vector A minus unit vector B. Vector A dot vector A, unit vector A magnitude whole square, minus vector A dot vector B, AB, minus vector B dot vector A, minus and minus plus vector B dot vector B, unit vector B magnitude whole square. Vector A dot vector B is equals to vector B dot vector A. B dot A can be written as A dot B. Unit vector is vector with magnitude 1 and the magnitude of vector is also given 1. 1 square is 1 plus B magnitude square 1. Vector A dot vector B and vector B dot vector A both are same. We write 2 times unit vector A dot unit vector B. We have 2 minus 2 times unit vector A dot unit vector B. 2 is common, 1 minus unit vector A dot unit vector B. Now बच्चे, what is vector A dot vector B? Vector A dot vector B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. In place of A dot B, we will write 1 minus magnitude of unit vector A, magnitude of unit vector B into cos theta. Magnitude of unit vector A, 1 into 1 into cos theta. We have 2 times 1 minus cos theta. This is unit vector A minus unit vector B magnitude whole square. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing it from here. Now बच्चे, what is 1 minus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta is unit vector A minus unit vector B whole square equals to 2 into, what is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. We have derived this formula from the formula of cos 2 theta. Clear? Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta and 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Whole square equals to 4 sin square theta by 2 and unit vector A minus unit vector B magnitude is 2 sin theta by 2. Square both sides. 2 on the left hand side, 1 by 2. Magnitude of unit vector A minus unit vector B is sin theta by 2. Therefore, option B is our correct option. If vector A cross vector B whole square plus vector A dot vector B whole square is 225. Magnitude of vector A is given 5. We have to find the magnitude of B. Now, बच्चे, we have vector A cross vector B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta into n vector, unit vector n. And vector A dot vector B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. There we have n vector, unit vector n. Now, vector A cross vector B whole square, magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta, unit vector n have magnitude 1, whole square plus in place of vector A dot vector B, we have written magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta whole square, and which is equals to 225 whole square, magnitude of A whole square, magnitude of B whole square into sin square theta plus magnitude of A whole square, magnitude of B whole square into cos square theta is equals to 225. What is common? Magnitude of A square plus into magnitude of B square. What is common? Sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this is equals to 225. We have an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. What is left? Magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square equals to 225. What is magnitude of A? 5. 5 square into magnitude of B square equals to 225. Magnitude of B square is 225 by 25, that is 9. Magnitude of B square is 9. What will be the value of magnitude of B? Plus minus 3, but magnitude is always positive, therefore magnitude of vector B is 3. बच्चों, a slightly different but very important question. Two vectors j cap plus k cap and 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap represent the two sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. We have a triangle ABC. AB, vector AB is j cap plus k cap and vector AC is 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. A median is drawn from the point A. Let AD is the median. We have to find the length of median. Now बच्चे, as per triangle law, vector AB plus vector BC, AB plus vector BC is equals to AC, vector AC. Now we know vector AB and vector AC, but we don't know vector BC. Vector BC can be vector AC minus vector AB. What is the vector AC? 3i cap minus j cap minus plus 4k cap minus j cap plus k cap. Minus before the bracket, the signs inside will change. This is 3i cap minus j cap and minus j cap minus 2j cap, 4 minus 1 plus 3k cap. This is vector BC. Now AD is the median. You know median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. What will be vector BD? Vector BD will be half of BC because AD is median and AD is dividing BC in two equal parts. What will be vector BD? Half of BC, that is half of 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector BD will be 3 by 2 I cap minus j cap plus 3 by 2 k cap. Now बच्चे, this is in triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABD, as per triangle law, AB plus BD is equals to AD. AB plus BD is equals to AD. Vector AB plus vector BD is equals to AD. What is vector AB? Vector AB is j cap plus k cap plus vector BD is 3 by 2 I cap minus j cap plus 3 by 2 k cap. This is equals to vector AD. We have I cap 3 by 2 I cap, j cap positive, negative cancelled. K cap plus 3 by 2 k cap, 1 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2 k cap. This is vector AD. What we have to find? We have to find the length of this AD. Length means we have to find the magnitude of AD. What will be the magnitude of AD? Under root 3 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4 plus 25 by 4. 25 plus 9 root 35. 25 plus 9 is 34 by root 4 is 2. This is the length of median AD. Which is a slightly long but very important question. For vector A, if magnitude of vector A is given A, we have to find the value of vector A cross I cap whole square plus vector A cross j cap whole square plus vector A cross k cap whole square. Let vector A be xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. What will be the magnitude of this vector? Under root x square plus y square plus z square, and the magnitude of this vector is given A. This is given. Squaring both sides, what will be the value of x square plus y square plus z square? This will be equals to a square. Keep it aside. Now bache, first we will find vector A cross I cap. We have to find squares of these. First we will find vector A cross I cap. Cross product I cap, j cap, k cap. Vector A is x, y, z. I cap 1, 0 and 0. I cap means 1 I cap, 0 j cap and 0 k cap. This will be equals to I cap y into 0, 0 minus z into 0, 0 minus j cap x into 0, 0 minus z plus k cap 0 minus y. This is z j cap minus y k cap. What will be vector A cross I cap whole square? This is z j cap minus y k cap dot z j cap minus y k cap. Z j cap into z j cap. I dot I, j dot j 1, k dot k is 1. Z into z, z square. Minus y into minus y, k dot unit vector k cap into k cap is 1. Minus y into minus y plus y square. This is the value of vector A cross I cap whole square. In the same way, when you will multiply vector A with j cap, you will write here 0, 1 and 0. J cap means 0 I cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap. What will we get? Vector A cross j cap whole square will be x square plus z square. And in case of vector A cross k cap whole square, in case of k cap, you will write here 0, 0 and 1. K cap means 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus k cap. This we will get x square plus y square. Now we have to find the value of addition of these. Vector A cross I cap whole square plus vector A cross j cap whole square plus vector A cross k cap whole square will be equals to z square plus y square plus x square plus z square plus x square plus y square. We have 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. Taking 2 common, x square plus y square plus z square. What is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? A square. So our answer will be 2a square. This is the value. The magnitude of projection of vector 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap on a vector which is perpendicular to plane containing two vectors is, 4 options are given. Let vector A be 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, and vector B is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and we have vector C as I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. We have to find the projection of vector A on a vector which is perpendicular to vector B and vector C. Let vector which is perpendicular to vector B and vector C be vector D. How can we find vector D? Vector D will be vector B cross vector C. I cap, J cap, K cap. Vector D will be B cross C. Component of vector B 1, 1, 1 and C is 1, 2 and 3. Now our vector D will be I cap 3 minus 2 minus J cap 3 minus 1 plus K cap 2 minus 1. We have I cap minus 2 J cap plus K cap. We have to find the projection of vector A on vector D. Projection of vector A on vector D will be vector A dot vector D upon magnitude of vector D. Vector A is 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap into vector D is I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap. You know dot product. We have done in various of questions. I dot I1, 2 into 1, 1, 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus 1 upon magnitude of D is 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. We have 2, 2 into 1, 2 minus 6 plus 1, root 6. Magnitude. We have 3 by root 6. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3 into root 2. Therefore, our answer is root 3 by root 2. Therefore, option B is our correct option. If magnitude of vector A dot vector B is given 3 and magnitude of vector A cross vector B is given 4, we have to find the angle between vector A and vector B. बच्चे we have vector A dot vector B equals to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta, and vector A cross vector B magnitude is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta. Here we have vector A dot vector B magnitude. What will be the magnitude? This is a scalar quantity. Its magnitude will be the same. This will be equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Vector A dot vector B magnitude is equals to this, and this is equals to given 3. Let this is first. Vector A cross vector B magnitude is magnitude of A magnitude of B into sin theta, and this is equals to 4 second. Divide second with first. What do we get? Magnitude of A magnitude of B sin theta upon magnitude of A magnitude of B into cos theta equals to 4 by 3. This is cancelled. We have tan theta equals to 4 by 3. We have to find theta. 4 options are given. Right? This is our triangle, right angle triangle, and this is angle theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side upon adjacent side. This is 4 and this is 3. Right? This is triangle ABC. What will be the value of cos theta? As per Pythagoras, AC whole square equals to AB square plus BC square, which is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9, 25, and AC will be 5. Now what is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse 3 by 5. What will be the value of theta? Angle between A and B will be cos inverse 3 by 5. This is our answer. Therefore, which option? Option B is our correct option.